We, just like you, love images. But for many of us, the experience of capturing that image, especially when done in the great outdoors, is as precious as the image itself. The wait, the hike for the view, and that moment at the end of the day. Experiences that no one can ever take away from you. We've made something for those of you that like to live on the wild side. A camera that, just like you, calls the outdoors its home. This is the OM-1. The OM-1 is the first camera to join our next generation OM system. It was built to be your compact companion on your outdoor adventures. Compact, yet capable, with big features when you need them. Absolutely reliable and blazingly fast. Meant to give you an even more fulfilling photographic experience in the outdoors. So, what makes the OM-1 so special? Well, let's start with what's inside. A newly developed stacked backside illuminated sensor, accompanied by our next generation TruePic X engine, makes this our best camera yet. With improved ISO performance and dynamic range, the sensor, processor, and lens combination delivers stunning high-resolution images with blazing fast performance. And this allows us to do some pretty neat stuff. Although small in size, the OM-1 delivers big and detailed pictures. Need to go even bigger? With the press of a dedicated button, you can go big on demand and capture a stunning high-res shot. Even handheld, and over 2 times faster than before. Want to slow things down or even freeze time? Well, with our legendary stabilization, you can slow down to a crawl. Out for a nighttime stroll and want to capture a long exposure of the stars but got no tripod? No problem. Just grab a handheld live composite photo with active image stabilization. It's practically magic. But what if you've got a need for speed and a fast-moving subject? Our previous cameras already set the bar high. But now, we're raising it again. The OM-1 can do an amazing 50 frames per second with continuous autofocus, exposure tracking, and a blackout-free viewing experience. Need even more speed? You can crank it up to 120 frames per second in full RAW resolution, or use our Pro Capture feature to cheat time, defy the moment, and never miss a shot. But what good is speed without accuracy, right? That's why we're taking our focus system to the next level. Our sensor comes infused with cross-quad pixel autofocus, with over 1,000 focus points that will detect subjects in every direction imaginable across the entire sensor. This makes tracking subjects a breeze and is even further enhanced by our AI Detection AF, which will even more precisely detect and track your chosen subject. And you'll see this all happen through a stunning new EVF, with anti-fog features and low light specific modes so that you can monitor reliably in any environment. Talk about environments. The OM-1 has no problem handling them. An IP53 dust and splash proof design means that the OM system will now take all that Mother Nature throws at you. From the warmest and dustiest places to the wettest and coldest, the OM-1 will keep going as far as you will. And going where you want won't be a burden, as the OM system is still the lightest and most compact professional camera system in the market. Your camera should not weigh you down on your adventures, but rather be a compact companion that lets you focus on fully experiencing nature without sacrificing on photographic performance. The OM-1 is also more enjoyable to use than ever. A fully redesigned menu system makes using the camera far more intuitive, and the body design, although familiar, gives a more tactile operating feel that connects you with the camera better than ever before. If photos are not enough to capture the moment, flip the switch to video and enjoy our class-leading run-and-gun video features. Our legendary video stabilization is now joined with 4K 60p and Full HD 240 frames per second frame rate options. The OM-1 also comes with an updated 10-bit codec, along with OM log and a dedicated HDR mode so you can capture everything just like you experienced it. The OM-1 is a beautiful fresh beginning to a new generation of the OM system, the ultimate outdoor imaging companion. Whether you're out for a walk or really out there on a full-blown expedition, we're incredibly excited to see how you will more fully experience the outdoors with the OM-1. Lightweight and compact, big on demand, always reliable, and blazingly fast. This is the OM-1. Now get out there and defy the moment.